Can you hear, can you hear, can you hear my voice? Coming through, coming through, coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me. Is anybody there? Save me. I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. It's so dark out here in space. And it's been so long since I've seen a face. My eyes are shut but I can see the void between you and me. And I feel like I'm going insane. Help me. Is anybody there? Save me. I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Far from the sun, beyond stars, I hear their song. They're coming closer, talking without sound, calling me home. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Save me. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday.
So as always, we have published a trailer long before the actual phone launch. It took almost a week to make it. The official trailer of Galaxy S10 will be released on 21st February by Samsung. That means 11 days later. So if you always want to watch smartphone trailers long before their actual launch and for stunning concept videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss another smartphone trailer or concept videos from us.